This is editing, Kerryn, and I've got a massive confession to make. This video was part of a trip to Queensland that we did where we had no plans except to go and see family. And we had a spare afternoon. We found ourselves down on the Gold Coast dropping one of our children off. So we decided to head up Tamborine Mountain to find a waterfall. On the highway, we had found a sign that said that advertised Curtis Falls, so we put that in the GPS. But because I'd done no research, I'd actually keep calling Tamborine Mountain Mount Tamborine. For all the locals and all the Queenslanders out there, I am humbly apologising. I am making a correction now before we get into the video, and every time you hear me say Mount Tamborine, know that I have been chastising myself the whole time I've been editing this video. In the last video, I made a comment that our blog library was being built up over on sapphirebluetravel.com.au, and this video is the very first video to go out with a companion blog ready to go at the time of release. So the Bribie Island one does have a companion blog, but it wasn't ready when I released the video. But down in the description below, you will find the companion blog with many more things to do on Tamborine Mountain if you're planning a visit. So check that out for more info. But for now, settle in and enjoy our little afternoon wander down to Curtis Falls and along the gallery walk. So we're at Mount Tamborine National Park and we're heading down to the falls. Ready to go for it? I'm in Mount Tamborine today. We're going for a walk to have a look at a waterfall. Bill's coming back from the car where he picked up my phone because I forgot it. And right now we're going to head to the rainforest lookout. This lookout was completed in 1993 as a youth conservation land care and environment action program. So what are you thinking of Mount Tamborine so far?
It's very pretty.
It is. We haven't even got to the waterfall yet.
Yep.
And the rainforest is just beautiful.
Quite lovely, isn't it?
It's about a 30-minute walk we're expecting, there and back, apparently.
Should be.
Ladies just told us there were some stairs going down, and I think we found them. Not real even, are they? Should have brought the sticks. Should go down that side. You know, I like a good layway next to the stairs. Hello. We're here at about 3 o'clock and there's quite a few people on the path, so it's quite popular. First glimpse of the water.
Beautiful. Such like an oasis in the mountain, isn't it? Just Beautiful pool and waterfall.
Worth the drive?
Yeah, well worth the drive.
I just headed down a little bit further down the path that does the circuit, which is 1.6 k's, I think, from the T section, just to get a little bit more flow of the water. Have a little bit of a look at the path. The paths down here are actually quite good, fairly easy to navigate. A little bit of rocks here and there, a little bit wet. We are in a rainforest, so expect that. The walk appears to be right near the river. Lots of flowing water, tall palm trees, beautiful. Back up the stairs we go. It's been a while since we've done some stairs. Curtis Falls, definitely worth the trek. As I said, lots of people on the paths today. I could assume it could be quite busy in other times of the year. It's a rather steep, short climb, this bit of stairs. Most of them are even, but there are a couple that are a bit high. Back to the path to the car. The walk down is really quite pleasant and easy because it is down. But just remember, what goes down must come up. It's not a terrible walk, but it is quite consistently steep. Here we are, coming out of the forest canopy to the car park. There's a little cafe, toilets, and plenty of parking. So the pavilion is not open Monday or Tuesday, but it looks like quite a nice place to be. Even the roads are fun to drive in Mount Tamborine. Lots of winding, lots of climbing.
You want to go to the left?
This little town somewhere. Didn't we see a Devonshire tea?
We did. That's what I was hoping for.
Okay.
It would be really nice.
So this is the gallery walk. This little townshipy thing. A winery and a brewery in a castle. And
town of Mount Tamborine.
yeah, lots of food places, lots of boutique-y type food places. The glass studio. Sorry about the afternoon sun. Oh, that's a shame. We saw a Devonshire tea. We felt like a Devonshire tea and they're not serving them. Pretty town to wander around. If you had time, you could easily spend a couple of hours shopping. If you are into that sort of thing. Lots of restaurants to sit and enjoy. And it's not that big a walk. As you can see, down there is the castle that you can do tastings at. I think all hinterland towns must have a cuckoo clock, German souvenir place. Taking in a bit of afternoon tea at the monkey tree. I guess this is why they call it the monkey tree. Big tree, giving us lots of shade. I want to thank you for joining us today. If you liked the video, why not hit the like and subscribe buttons? Ring that little bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you want to find out what we did on Bribie Island, check this video out above or check out the playlist for all of our Queensland adventures.